Another thrift vlog or a general reselling vlog is in the works. We're outside the Round Rock Antique Mall, and I'm about to do a drop for some stuff that I found at garage sales and other random places. So let's start the vlog off right here. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my small spaceship. And we got a pair of skis just like bulleting, is that even a word? Bulleting through my spaceship. Look at that. Yeah, so those are some Budweiser skis that I found at a previous vlog garage sale, like basically last weekend. They were $5, and I'm going to list them here. I can't remember what I'm asking for, but I think around 200 or so. They're pretty collectible because they have the older logo on them, you know? So it's pretty neat. So we got that going on. We have some lamps right there. We have some Seagram's lamps right there, leather jacket, some boots. A lot of things that are destined for the booth, including this $5 retro looking lamp, nothing super crazy. I'm excited to drop these things off and get this vlog started. Hey, if you enjoy these kind of vlogs, then the number one thing you have to do is hit the like button, all right? Hit it, and then put a comment on what you enjoy in these vlogs so much. Also, make sure you subscribe, that's super important. One last thing, the first link down below is a free guide where you can kind of learn some of the things to buy and resell. You know, they're predominantly used, they're predominantly found on Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, and garage sales, and you can make some money doing this. So that's pretty much what the channel has to offer. Not to mention like thousands of free videos. But let's get into the Round Rock Antique Mall. I'm pretty sure my booth is going to be in shambles. It'll be kind of like a hazard. Last weekend, I'm sure people came to the booth and probably tossed it all up. So I have to un-F all that up and then drop all this stuff off. But let's go check out what the booth looks like now. So I just stepped into the booth. It's not looking too bad. I got some things that are stacked that shouldn't be stacked there. They need to be up on shelves. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Usually I find a million jackets on the floor, but we got to make sure that all these jackets go back in looking good. This little table right here belongs in that corner right there. I already put the skis up right there. And so a lot of times the boot wall is pretty messed up, and we can see that it's not too bad. So I'm gonna touch all that up, make sure it looks good, and we're gonna bring the rest of the items in here. So I'm going back and forth from the car into the booth, and while I was in the booth putting some stuff up, there was a kid with his parents, and the kid really liked one of my sweaters that is kind of like a Kuji looking kind of sweater. So I was asking 180, half of that, and the kid super likes it. So I cut the kid a deal at 40 flat for the sweater. I think he's checking out right now. He's so happy to get it. Maybe I can get him on the vlog, maybe not. I don't know yet. Okay, so I got the little kiddo to show what he got. First of all, what's your name?
Stowe.
Stowe. And how much you pay for this thing?
$40.
Look at this sweater. So you might have seen it on a way previous vlog, but you like it?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, right? Yeah. So it's neat to see someone so young getting into the game, like at an early age. You collect clothing?
Yeah.
Gosh, what's your favorite piece of clothing?
I really want South Poles, but I got South Poles, but they're like kids.
South Poles, yeah.
I really want South Poles.
Oh, cool. I'm just so happy that it goes to him, and he loves it. He tried it on with the mirrors in the booth, so that's where some of this stuff goes to young collectors like this. What's your favorite thing?
The favorite thing I got was a liquid blue t-shirt. I forgot what it was, but it was a liquid blue I got at a state sale.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You go to estate sales?
Yeah, I go to a lot of state sales.
What? So he's really excited to get that piece. And when the money breaks down, and quite honestly, I look back at it in retrospect and I'm like, man, I probably should have just gave it to him, you know? I guess in the moment I was just like, man, how can I get this kid that likes this thing so like involved in it? So I brought it down so, you know, drastically down that it would be compelling for him to want this thing. But he's like an avid collector, and he goes to garage sales and estate sales. So, and he's young like that. Usually they're not like that. But he loves that kind of stuff. Okay, the booth looks good. Got most of the crap off the floor. It's chocked full of stuff. I mean, let's be honest here. So what did I drop off today? Dropped off these boots right here. Dropped off a Gap leather jacket right there. Dropped off the Seagram's thingies right here. Dropped off the skis right there. And the other thing I dropped off was this right here. But it's time to get out of here, and that's what the booth is all about. It's kind of like a semi-passive income stream, limited time spent dropping things off. But there is the initial setup of the booth, which took about a day. After that, everything was pretty good. All right, so I filmed a garage sale vlog that's not part of this vlog, but something I found 2 weeks ago at garage sales, almost 2 weeks to the exact date, was a Trek bike and a carbon fiber specialized road bike. The Trek bike was a kid's bike. It was called a Capri Caliber, and it sold for $150, which was $50 more than what I thought the video had stated. Now on the video, I also stated that this specialized carbon fiber road bike would sell between about $500 and I think $700. We have someone coming to look at this carbon fiber specialized road bike that I'm basically into for now nothing, because that kid's bike paid for everything. I think we're going to be able to sell this carbon specialized road bike for $600. Let me show it to you. Now I did have a seat laying around. It needed a seat and it needed a tube, which I already have anyway. So this is what it looks like. The specialized Ruby Comp full carbon road bike. You might have remembered seeing this from the garage sale vlog, with full Shimano 105 drivetrain, which is very important. So I put the new tube in the rear tire. But yeah, the whole thing is Shimano 105, which is a very good group set, as you can see. And yeah, we have someone at least coming to look at it today for $600. To be honest, I would take $500 for it, because that was what the vlog said. It was $500 to $700. I really thought I was going to sell it for $500, but maybe I will. But I have a chance for selling it for $600 on this vlog. The person's about 10 minutes out. Okay, we have a BMW that just pulled up, and we'll see if this person wants to buy this bike. Okay, I just helped her for like 30 minutes. I gave her a lot of extra stuff, extra tire, extra tubes. She's new into road biking, so I had to make sure to really set her up real good, you know? Give her a pump. How do you say that? Pump, tire, tube, a cell phone mount, things I have laying around. And we sold that bike for $600 Apple Cash. I just got back from the Springs, and someone wants to buy a pair of Lizard cowboy boots that I bought last weekend at a garage sale for 25 bucks. In fact, we bought 2 pairs of Lizard boots. So we're gonna sell these for $100. That's pretty good. These are Panhandle Slim boots right here. I had to go to the booth to go get them because I'd also put them in the booth. So we gotta make sure we cut this off right here before we run them outside, because the guy's outside right now. Let's get these things sold. This is them, check it out, I'm in. And right there we have 100 cash. So we've taken a $25 boot and we've sold it for 100 cash. This is great. I actually also yanked the eBay listing because I had them on eBay as well for 150, but you calculate all the promoted fees and all the rest of the stuff, and it's still pretty much like walking with 100 bucks. So got this done. I listed those yesterday, and we come across exotic Western boots all the time, so that's a good flip for the money. And oh yeah, while I was at the Springs, I put a pair of Chacos outside that I picked up like 4 days ago at Goodwill. I don't even know if it made it on this vlog, to be honest. I think they were like $6 or $8. I'm not sure, but there was some basic Chaco. Yeah, I didn't put them on this vlog because I picked them up in Georgetown, Texas, and I wasn't vlogging that day. But I had to justify going out to Georgetown. I don't remember why I went out there. I went out there for some reason. I think to look at some thrift stores, but I think I went to the booth or something. I picked up a pair of Chaco sandals for like $6.50 out the door, maybe $7. It's between $6 and $8. And then I put them outside my door for a porch pickup, and I think the person put cash under the mat. Let's go check it out. And this is what they look like right here. So we should have 40 bucks under the mat. Here we go. Quick conversion of some stuff I bought 4 days ago. All right, we're at the next day, and we went thrifting today because on this part of the vlog, it's a Saturday afternoon, so you can get around, or maybe a Sunday afternoon, and you can get around really easily. Now, the thrift stores sometimes have good stuff and sometimes they don't. But the reason why we went is because it's 100 degrees outside. And I spent a lot of times at the Springs yesterday, so, you know, I don't need any more sun. But I went to this one thrift store today, this one Goodwill on Far West Boulevard, and I could not believe my eyes what I saw as soon as I came into the store. It was to our right, and it's sitting here at the house now because we bought them, obviously. $39 each. Check it out. First find is right here. It's a Raleigh Lily 24 kids bike. This one still has the price tag on it, but the other one blew off on this, I guess on the highway. This is a kids bike, 24-inch wheels, should resell for 100 to about 150 bucks. This thing is in brand new condition too. It has never been used, as you can see. But the best find is sitting right here. Yeah, I know the price tag blew off, but this is a felt carbon fiber road bike. I think it's a Z39 or Z35. Aero frame, full 105 group set, Shimano group set. It's really nice. Speculated to be a 60 centimeter bike, so basically a large. It's got gator skin tires as well. I'm about to inflate them and see if the tubes hold air. But the carbon's in really good condition. We don't have any delamination or anything like that. So a good clean of this bike, this felt road bike. And I think we could be able to move this thing for low end, like 500 bucks, high end, $1,000. And that is an epic score from a Goodwill thrift store. It's probably the best score I've ever found while being a reseller. When it comes to carbon fiber road bike, easily the best find for $39. I've never found something better than this. That's pretty nuts. Okay, we're at the next day, or maybe the day after the next day, but we're gonna get this fishing rod that I bought for $5. You can see me in the mirror. It's a Mr. Catfish rod with a pen. I think it's a Fierce 2 or something like that. I bought it for $5 at a garage sale, and I think I can get it sold for 60 or 75 right now locally. I think the guy just rolled up. I saw a truck come down the cul-de-sac, so let's see if we can get this thing sold. Well, I thought I saw somebody come up. I did see someone, but I guess the person, I thought they were going to be early. There's still 20 minutes out from 1 o'clock, which is the agreed upon time we're going to get this thing sold. So yeah, we got to wait a little bit longer. Whoops. We live in a cul-de-sac and you notice everything. That's just how it works. Well, it's about 35 minutes past the time that he said he was going to be here. And there was constant communication about 1 o'clock being the meeting time. Constant. Even this morning, I was like, we're still good for 1. It originated all the way from yesterday evening, you know, back and forth. And then even today in the gym, I was like, we're still good for 1. I bent my day to be here at 1 o'clock, and it's 1:35. And I'm like, are you still coming by? Silence. Ah! It's just crazy. I cannot believe that actual human beings, mature human, well, I don't know about mature, but like, let's assume mature human beings do that to each other. Or think that that's permissible. That's crazy to me. Like, what? 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 It's part of the game, I guess. But it's frustrating. We'll see where the rest of the vlog takes us then. We're at the next day. And yeah, I'm over it. I'm over the whole thing of yesterday. But we sold something in here. I think I am, I don't know, $12 or $17 into these. These are Reebok Pump tennis shoes. That are reissues or something like that. But they're pretty cool. I'll flash a picture right there. And I got a $75 offer on a $100 price. So that's not too bad. I'm going to take it and get these things moved out today. Sold something else as well, I think, or I sent them another good offer. We'll see if it goes through today. But there's something that I have to take care of today, and maybe it will be on this vlog, maybe it won't. But the garage is getting kind of crazy again. And so I have to get through with all this today. I don't know if it's going to be on this vlog, but we got to get this thing shipped off. So yeah, this vlog had a lot of ups and downs, man. I'm telling you, it's a lot of great things found. The kid was happy. And then I got stood up at the end by that dude, which was crazy. But I just finished editing the vlog, which takes a long time. So if you're just down with watching the vlogs and you appreciate the edits, then make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment. We got to get this algorithm like up, okay? Outside of that, this is where the vlog ends, and I can't wait to open up a new one and, you know, make another one for you guys so you can enjoy the hustles, at least here in Austin, Texas, what I'm doing. Maybe it inspires you out there to do better or find cooler items or expand your, you know, reselling knowledge or something like that. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.